What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in for another video. So today, what are we getting into? Today, a guy hit me up about pretty much straight piping his 350Z. It's got an ISR full exhaust, and he went with a bigger drive shaft, so it kind of like, he said that he's having some clearance issues with the drive shaft and the resonator. So today we're gonna cut that off and weld a piece of straight pipe in it. So let's get into it, y'all. That hoe clean as hell.
There we go.
You don't understand. I could have had class. I could have been a contender. I could have been somebody instead of a bum.
Alright, y'all, so he has finally made it. He just yanked off the bumpers. We're gonna try to pull it in the garage.
Made it.
I was like, oh shit, we good though.
Is that drive shaft scratched up at all?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
So it has been hidden?
See, yep. It's a rub mark right there.
Any up front?
No, everything else is clear.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Because, you know, with a welded dish, it chirps. And when it chirps, it'll fuck some shit up.
Damn, y'all beat the hell out of it. Yeah, that's where it was rubbing.
Yeah, we beat the hell out of this thing. Oh, hell yeah.
Hell yeah. And we'll just hack it off right there, right there. So what I'll do is I'll just cut it the length to slide it together, stick it on the car, and then just tack it, take it off and weld it up.
Okay.
So, hell yeah.
Exactly, if you do that.
Y'all beat the hell out of that, John. Damn.
We weren't playing.
I see.
Butter.
Man, this is beautiful.
I didn't even think about measuring it like that.
Check out the wheels though. So I can cut off whatever right there, slide that on there, put it on the car, make sure it's straight, and then we'll tack it, bring it back down, and weld it up solid. We'll be done here. We got the piece in there, slide it on, sit it up in there and bolt it up. I didn't show y'all what was rubbing under here, but as you can see, ouch, where it was rubbing at, and so that's the whole reason that we're taking that out. Look at those beauties right there, boy. So now all we gotta do is throw this up under here, bolt it up, and we good, bro. And like,
it was worse than that?
Dude, it was horrible. I know, right? All right. Come on. This thing looks It sounds good. Damn. So y'all, work here is done. Donezo. It's not. Huh?
Broke one of my zip ties.
Did you?
Yeah, it's okay. No worries.
Oh shit, I said. Doesn't sound too bad. Not too shabby. So y'all, he's satisfied. I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied that he's satisfied. So I'm gonna throw the bumpers on here, and he'll be able to go about his way. This is what you do if you upgrade drive shafts, right?
Yeah. ISR exhaust. If you upgrade the drive shaft, it will not clear.
Y'all heard the man, so y'all know what to do. If y'all shit rubbing, sounding like scooting ass, y'all know what to do. Delete the resonator.
And it won't rub when you put it in the air. It'll rub when you take it on full lock. So take it on a test drive.
Y'all heard the man. So y'all can see right here where he beat it in, trying to beat that junk to death. Let it know you're from Memphis. And beat the shit out of it.
It took a hammer on a gravel driveway.
And that's how you get it to clear.
It did work. Has a little gap in it, but that gap is from where he's tapped someone. Kareem actually fixed this mount for me. This mount was destroyed. Because it's gotta clear that and get up here. Go around that hole.
Damn.
Okay. That's hard.
Sounds good, bruh. Yep. All right, my guy. He's satisfied. Like I said, I'm satisfied. That car was freaking beautiful. Nice expensive ass body kit on it. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and yeah, until the next one, y'all, we out.